Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Nur Nabiha bint Abdullah from TSC1 with metric number 1200537. I'm going to tell you about relations. Here we go. What is relation? Relation is relationships between elements of two sets are represented using the structure called a binary relation, which is just a subset of the Cartesian product of the sets. What is binary relation? Binary relation is subset of Cartesian product or a set of ordered pair. Here we can see the binary relation A and B. The first one A we call as domain and the second element B we call codomain. So what is Cartesian product? If A and B are set, we let them denote the set of all ordered pairs AB, where small a element of capital A and small b element of capital B. We call them the Cartesian product of A and B. For example, here. Next, what is digraph of relationship? Here we got the three digraph. The first one, direct relationship, where A, B. The second one, bidirectional relationship. For example, AB and BA. And the last one, relate to itself. Example, A, B, B, C, C, and the others. For definition of relation first, let A and B be sets. A binary relation from A to B is a subset of them. In other words, a binary relation from A to B is a set of R of ordered pairs, where the first element of each ordered pairs come from A and the second element comes from B. We use the notation ARB to denote that A, B elements of R and A not RB to denote that AB not element of R. Moreover, when AB belongs to R is a set to be related to by R.
Little pony, my little pony, what is friendship all about? My little pony, friendship is.
Next. Okay. Example 1. Let A be the set of my housemate and let B be the set of 4 major personalities. People may have several personalities. Okay, define the relation R by specifying that AB belongs to R if housemate with name A is in the personalities B. A elements of housemate. For example, Aini, but we can write in shorten by write as A, Biha as B, Sadia as C, Sarah as D, and Emma as E. Then B, elements of personalities. We pragmatic, so we can write as number 1. Melancholic write as number 2. Sanguine write as number 3. And choleric write as number 4. Then housemate personalities. Okay. So here we can see the binary relation with Cartesian is a relation from A to B. Relation can be represented table or graphically as shown below, using arrow to represent ordered pair. So this is graphically, and oh my god, and this one, the second one, table. So we can see A1, so A1 and A1, A2, 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 continue until finish. Definition 2 of relation. What is? A relation on a set A is a relation from A to A, or a subset of AA. Okay, we can see here. Okay, for example, let A be the set 1, 2, 3, 4, which ordered pair are in the relation R AB. But here we can see A divides B. So what the solution? Solution, because AB is in R, if and only if A and B are positive integer, are not exceeding 4, such that A divides B. We see that after calculate, we can get this Cartesian. So this one as graphically, and this one as table. Next, properties of relation. There are 4 properties of the relation. Okay. First, reflexive. AA elements of R. Why? Because it refers to itself. So for the other example, such as BB elements of R or CC elements of R. Second, symmetry, where AB elements of R equal to BA elements of R. Or the other example, 1, 2 elements of R equal to 1 elements of R because of symmetry. The third one, anti-symmetry. Be careful, this anti-symmetry not mean unsymmetric, but the condition is AB elements of R and BA elements of R, then A equal B. Must have N here. And then we represent A equal B. And the last one, transitive. AB elements of R and BC element of R. Then AC elements of R. We can see the result comes from the first A and the last C. So we let looks, for example, how to describe our daily life. So for the equivalence relations, the meaning is, for a relation R to be an equivalence relation, it must have the following properties. So the properties are symmetric, transitive, and reflexive. For example 1, any person lives within a mile of themselves, namely 0 distance, so it is reflexive. So we can use the diagram relationship which refer to itself. Second one, if one person lives within a mile of another, that person consequently lives within a mile of the first. So it is symmetric. Symmetric means that there cannot be one-way relationships. between two different elements. Antisymmetric means that there cannot be two-way relationships between two different elements. As we can see, just say A is my house and B is yours. So the distance between our home will be symmetric. Next, it is not ensured that if Paul lives within a mile of John, who lives within a mile of Martha, that Paul is within a mile of Martha. For instance, if Paul and Martha are 2 miles apart and John is exactly between the two, we see a lack of transitivity. Another example, eagle eats snake and snake eat mouse. So by the transitive property, eagle eat mouse, as you can see here. For summary, what we have learned? We have learned the definition of relation, okay, binary relation and Cartesian product. Next, we have learned about example of relation, then properties of relation, which are reflexive, symmetric, antisymmetric, and transitive. And the last one, we learn about application on real life. So, thank you for watching, everybody. Thank you for teach me and credit to Dr. AZRUL. Bye.